I can't believe this is the new normal. Like, what the heck? All right, so it's Sunday and clearly my room is a mess, but we have a lot to do today. So we just gotta get up and get started. So I'm starting today off with making my bed. In my family, it's a thing to make up your bed. Don't mind all these clothes, y'all. That's a topic for later today. But yeah, in my family, it's a thing to make up your bed so you just have a better day. My dad told me the reason why he's good at sales is because he gets up and makes his bed every single day. And by making up your bed every day, it just ensures that no matter how bad the day is, you get to come home to a nice bed waiting for you. And honestly, guys, I think there's some truth to that. Like, when I've had a long day and I come home and my bed's made, everything just feels so much better. And I'm not the expert bed maker, as you can. I need work. But yeah, the day starts off with making your bed. And do I make my bed every day? No. So back at home, if you don't make your bed, you risk losing your phone. My dad will take your phone away. But I'm a little too old to be getting my phone taken away, believe it or not. So, bed is made. Everything else could be a mess, but the bed is made. All right, so we're preparing to go out now. These are like the nerdiest sunglasses I own. I got them at Coachella because I forgot mine at the hotel, but I can people watch in them. So that's why I'm gonna wear them. But we're gonna go on a walk. So before I go on a walk, I want to make sure I protect my skin, and that's with using this dark spot corrector. Really, this is just sunscreen in my opinion. So I'm gonna put this on, and because SPF 15 really doesn't do anything, I don't want to say it really doesn't do anything, but like, you get me. It's only gonna be like 30 minutes. I'm also gonna spray my body down with this bad boy right here. So yeah, let's go on a walk. All right, so vlogging in the car right now. I'm headed to the park, which I'm excited about, but I'm not excited about because I don't want to wear a mask. But I am nevertheless happy and blessed to be able to go to a park on a sunny Sunday and walk around. So gonna wear a mask, and wow, graffiti is getting kind of bad over here. But yeah, driving over to the park right now. I can't believe this is the new normal. Like, what the heck? And I keep putting my mask on wrong, dang it. Alright, so the goal today is really just to get a couple. I thought these ducks were making love, but they're not. So the goal today is just to get a couple. I keep saying a couple, but I really only want to do one lap. Oh, it smells so bad. I need to do, oh, I just touched my face. Everything wrong with today. I'm gonna do 2 laps around today just because I've been so stagnant, I guess. So 2 laps around the lake for a Sunday morning walk. And my phone's low, so I'm not gonna listen to music, just walk and talk and reflect, really. I'm happy I came at this time because the walking path is pretty, there's not that many people walking, so it's kind of nice. But lots of fresh air and a really nice way to start the day. Can't see me smiling, but I'm smiling. Alright, morning walk is done. I actually did a little devotion with it too. I'll link the devotion that I did, or that I'm working on this week, below, but I got a little bit of sweat. Part of me wanted to run, but part was just like, just keep it simple, Shannon. Just walk. It's a little too hot now to run, even though the sun went down. Yeah, it's like 58 degrees, which isn't that. I think it's like 60 degrees. I don't know. With the sun out, I feel like it would have been too hot to run, which is an excuse. But yeah, it felt so good to just get out and walk. I've been wanting to start doing morning walks for like the longest. So that just felt amazing. So now I'm just gonna drive around. There's one more place that I kind of wanted to walk to too. So I might go walk up like this hill, get some coffee, and then get ready for church. But now that I'm back from my morning walk, I'm going to package and ship some stuff that I sold from the week. So yeah, I am going to make a video today about starting your online closet and why I think you should have one. Pretty much, I mean, I've made more money selling my clothes than I have on YouTube over the past 5 years, and I've done both over the past 5 years. So yeah, I don't know how detailed I'm gonna get into that, but I will mention that too. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I package and ship everything. So it all starts with my cell phone. Now I'm like pretty obsessed with my wallpaper for this week. It says just enjoy where you are now. It's like a pretty bomb saying. But yeah, so it all starts on my cell phone where I'm going to go and get the labels ready to print. So I just print straight off from my Mercari app. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, yeah, so this is all the stuff I've sold that I need to ship. So from here to here. So I have 5 labels I need to print. Just click view order. Now I'm just going to turn on my wireless printer. I love this printer, it's so good. All right, now I just turned on my wireless printer so I can print. So, and now that my labels are printed, I'm just going to write out, this printer is being so loud. Now that my labels are printed, I'm just gonna write out which order is going to who so I don't get confused, and this should make the packaging part go a little faster. And personally, guys, I don't like to let orders build up like this. I like to do them at least the day of, but for the purpose of the video and everything that's going on right now, I'm just showing you guys it. I think it looks better on camera when you have a lot of products or when you have like a lot of orders to process, but usually I don't like to let it get this backed up. I like to process them as I get them. It just makes shipping like a lot easier, faster, and it just makes everyone happy. Okay, so now that I know what is going to what, I'm actually going to write them thank you cards because I'm always so grateful when people shop my closet. So I got these from Target not too long ago. So I will probably use most of these today. And I don't write anything crazy. I just put their name and I say thank you for shopping my closet. I hope you enjoy your new top. Smiley face, heart, Shannon. And I just write, please let me know if you have any issues with the item. And so that is literally all I write. You don't really need to do this, but I just find it's like a more personal touch. So people usually like this. And there it is. So I'm just gonna finish writing these and then I'll come back when I start packaging. Okay, so now I have to find all of the orders. So the reason why my room is a mess is because I've recently tried to like go through and organize everything into these like vacuum bags so I can like seal them, put them in the closet, and just grab them when I need them. But I'm not completely done with that. I sold 2 pants from this bag, so I'm super happy. And then that shirt, so like it's way more organized than it was, even though it looks a mess. So yeah, I'm just going to grab what I need so I can ship. The last thing is shoes. Right here, I love these shoes. I'm gonna actually link this embarrassing video of me when I bought these shoes. I bought like 5 of the same pair and it's just ridiculous. So it's nice to finally get rid of them. Okay, I also just realized that I listed something the wrong size. Luckily, it's not that big of a size difference. So I'm going to message the girl and tell her and see what she says. I'm gonna go ahead and pack it up already, but if she doesn't want it, I'll just... So I'm just showing you guys this because it happens. Sometimes you miswrite things, so just this is how you would follow up and say, hey, what was her name? Oh, her name's Ashley. Hey Ashley, I realized the short are actually a size 25. Is that okay, or would you like to cancel? All right, let's get to packing. Here are my 5 little orders. There's 1 here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I left my shipping tape in the car, so I'm just gonna go add the labels and head to the post office and ship. But yeah, I'm very thankful for these orders and I'm happy to ship. And I think you guys should definitely start selling stuff in your closet. You'll be shocked what people buy, especially in a time like this. All right guys, I'm back from the post office and now I'm super excited. Someone text me. Well, excited for a few things. I got some of my favorite fried salmon from this one spot in my house that I like. So that's right there. And then I also have some kombucha. And my friends just texted me saying that they're actually having a Bible study today. So I'm about to do a Zoom call with them and then probably watch Transformation Church after that. But I'm excited to... My hair looks crazy, but I'm excited to eat. In the bed right now. I had to change my clothes, so I'm gonna tank top and shorts, and I'm probably gonna put my scarf on. But yeah, so I'm excited to eat and see some people and discuss Jesus. So yeah, I will show you guys my food. Oh, she hooked it up with extra ketchup. Okay, sis, and the tartar sauce. Okay. So here's my fried salmon, looking oh so scrumptious. And then I got a side of fries, and my kombucha, so. Super excited. This call started 15 minutes ago, so we'll see how many people are already on it. I'm slightly like inappropriate. Like I don't think I should be wearing a tank top, but whatever. Okay, so I will check back in with you guys. I'm probably gonna take a nap after this, but I will check back in with you guys. Yes, this room is going to get clean today, so fear not. But yeah, it is time to eat. So I just finished Zoom, also finished eating, and I keep making that sound on here. I made a pretty big dent on my kombucha. I tell myself not to drink the whole thing, but it's kind of hard not to. Now I'm actually tired from eating, which isn't good. So I feel like I should go on another walk, but I'm probably just going to chill for a second, maybe FaceTime a couple friends, and then clean my room and maybe nap. But yeah, my Sunday was pretty chill. Oh, I went to the 99-cent store because I ran out of shipping tape, and it was like barely, it was just like a normal day at the 99-cent store. So if you guys are looking to get supplies, maybe try there. It'll be cheaper and maybe not as many people. So yeah, so far it's been a really chill Sunday. I'm gonna have to go on another walk because that was a lot of food, but it's my first meal of the day. I just feel like my head's a little cloudy, so yep.